Hey everybody!
Hi!
Welcome back! And for this video, we are going to draw Bluey and Bingo!
Ooh.
Here we go, easy.
Yep.
So, for starters, we're going to start right here in the center of the page, just above halfway.
Yeah.
So about there, we draw an upside down triangle.
Put it upside down.
Just like that. You see yours? Okay, you got it. That's good. Now we draw a little line going that way from the top.
Yeah.
And a little line going that way.
Yeah.
You got a little line on either side. So now we bring this line down and we make a little smile out of it.
Yeah.
And we see. And we put a little smile there. A little dimple. Okay. And now on the end of this line here, we're going to make an eye.
Yeah. Like eye.
And we add a little pupil.
Yeah.
You got it? The other eye goes behind the nose. So from the nose here, we're just going to draw like that, and it tucks away behind there. And we still add another little pupil. And now we go and we draw two big eyebrows.
Yeah.
And one on the other side as well. Okay, so now we can draw, just tucking under the eyebrows, we draw, can you see?
Yeah.
So it goes behind the eyebrows and we draw like a rounded rectangle but with rounded corners.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. So on top of that, we draw two ears.
Okay. I did it.
And okay, and the inside of the ears, triangles. My one is a bit more rounded than the other side. Do you have your two triangles? Okay, you got your ears. And this is a relatively easy drawing. So we draw another square on the tummy. Just like that. Let me see yours going. Ah, it's good, that's good. And now we can draw some legs. So just 4 lines coming down. Obviously 2 lines for each leg. You see yours?
Yep.
So now look at this. We're going to draw a widened pad like that. Come down. You see this widened shape? But then you draw 2 lines into it to make some toes. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let me see yours. Here we go. And we do the same on the other side. You draw the widened shape and the 2 lines, and then we have toes. Let me see. That's right, that's right. And for the arms, just a line there.
Line here.
And a little bit of a line there. And the other side the same. You got it?
Yeah.
And now we can add 4 little fingers. So 3 and a thumb, if you know what I mean. You got it? There we go. So you can draw a thumb again and then 3 fingers. 3. Yeah. So that's a thumb, then 1, 2, 3, and another thumb, and 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So what are we missing now?
Bingo!
We're missing a tail.
tail.
A tail. So as you can see, I'm gonna draw a tail coming out to the same side of where his hand is, but it's just gonna go till there.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna add a fluffy bit on the end here, and that's his tail, and then I'm gonna add a little line there to show that that's his tail going behind his hand. Can you see it? And we drew a little line there because the end of his tail is a different color.
Yeah.
So now here's the trick. We have 2 of the same characters, right? But Bluey and Bingo actually looks the same. Just they have spots on different areas of them.
Yeah.
And they are different colors.
Yeah.
So which one do you want? Do you want Bluey or Bingo?
Bingo.
Okay, so Bingo has 1 spot on his hip and 1 spot on his tail. So you can make a spot on his hip and a spot on his tail. So you can do one with the half circle.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can do one about the, that's also behind his hand.
Yeah, there you did.
Okay, that's good. Now Bluey, he's got 2 on the hip, 2 half circles, and 1 on the other side. And there we have it, everybody. That's Bluey and Bingo. Are we going to do their noses black with this marker?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to fill his nose. The marker's almost dry.
Yeah.
We should get new ones soon.
Yeah. Eat it into Bowser. We finished.
Oh, we should eat it into Bowser.
Yes. Then we must sing the song Peter.
But now, you know what I forgot here? That the color creates a line across the eyes like this. Yeah, so we made lines there. So we must make a line going across his eye for Bluey. And Bingo's the same. He also has color lines going across his eye.
Oh.
Just like this line here by the tummy. And we must make a little line here by the feet. And on the paws, well, which is the hands in this case. Okay, so let's get coloring. So you got these colors for Bingo, and I've got these colors for Bluey. So and there you have it, everybody.
Yeah.
That's Bluey and Bingo. Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.